We are going to immediately stop enforcing the ban on those adoptions.
Governor Charlie Crist, after a court strikes down Florida's ban on same-sex couples adopting. Good evening, everybody. I'm Jim Sackett.
And I'm Kelly Dunn. Governor Crist says Florida will stop enforcing the state law that bans adoption for gays.
Today, the law, considered the strictest of its kind in the nation, was ruled unconstitutional by a Miami appeals court upholding a lower court decision. News Channel 5's Rochelle Ritchie spoke with a local couple today who say they are excited but still holding their breath. Rochelle?
They are certainly holding their breath, Jim and Kelly. Now, today, the unanimous decision down in Miami could mean that the ban is in its final days. And if so, that could be a victory for the gay community.
We are going to immediately stop enforcing the ban on those adoptions.
It's words from Governor Charlie Crist. Gay and lesbian couples have waited for years to hear.
I'm ecstatic. This is what we've been fighting for years.
For Jesse and Cooper Odell, who were the first gay couple to be allowed to foster children in Palm Beach County, it's a big step in the right direction.
There's so many children in the state of Florida that need a home.
Odell says he and his partner have fostered children 3 times, but because of their status have not been allowed to adopt.
When you keep sending children back into abusive situations and they're being pulled right back out, you're really not winning anything.
He says though some may argue children can become confused when living with same-sex couples, he recalls the confusion a 3-year-old foster child felt when he was removed from the Odell's home.
He came into the dining room and saw his things and started taking them and putting them back. So that hurt a lot right there.
But they are reluctant to be too excited.
It never goes smoothly. It's always something.
Cooper says that something could be the Florida Supreme Court. While skeptical, he is hopeful.
We've had 2 judges now strike the law down. So now we just need the Florida Supreme Court to make a ruling.
The Odells say it's a decision that's long overdue.
I think he's doing what he should have done a long time ago.
The opportunity for judges to make this call on a case-by-case basis with every adoption, I think, is wonderful.
And again, this is not the end of the road. As you heard in that story, the Florida Supreme Court must make a ruling before anything becomes law. Live in West Palm Beach, Rochelle Ritchie, WPTV News Channel 5.